Hi, good morning. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. First, today here is a morning time. So, good morning to all of you.
Good morning and walaikum salam. Thank you very much.
Shaji, Dr. Ismail, and Dr. Uh, Samina. I'm thankful to you, all of you, and all the team of IFPH who are really contributing for a wonderful job. Today is the day of the founder of the homeopathy, Master Honeyman, who did a wonderful contribution for the humanity. How we can tribute to the founder of the homeopathy? We have to do the such work for his purpose, for the humanity. This is the appropriate and proper way to tribute to the homeopathy, as IFPH is doing. And thank you to all of you who invited me to participation for this. First, I am going to share some views of different doctors and different peoples, how they contribute for this a grateful day for founder of Honeyman, please.
Yeah, please unmute. Please unmute. I think Mr. Dr. Javed has already co-hosted Madam, so her voice is not coming. Kindly tell her to tell the doctor to unmute.
Voice is not coming, sir.
So this
Hello.
is video, no?
Yes, yes, is a video.
Yeah, you're presenting video. I think you add that sound also.
Okay. This is the screen audio is not coming.
Okay, screen audio is not coming. Okay,
Not coming. Yeah.
Okay. Just I'm going to share some other things which here. My topic is today I have selected the topic is why homeopathy is important for the sick individuals. This is the main thing, why the people like it and why we are using such things and why we should join. We are joining the homeopathy and why it's significant. Definitely, if someone is come to your any system of treatment and in system of medicine, definitely someone inspired, someone that homeopathy cure him and homeopathy palliate him, whatever is doing like that. The ideal approach of the homeopathy is very easy. Number one, number two, it is easy to take. Number three, there's a very minute quantity of these contraindication of homeopathic medicine. So I'm going to just share. Here is the videos that coming. But however, I'm going to share some important aspects of this. Why the people are using this. Here is a case of renal stone, renal calculus. The patient who visited to me, his age is 45 years. The patient was suffering from the both renal calculus. The renal calculus was the size of the stone was too much. It was 3 to 4 centimeter. We definitely being scientifically we know it. The size is too much. It needs surgery and other procedures. The patient insisted me to do the treat. As I'm doing a lot of treatment from the allopathic side and other side, but I did not get any response. I'm really feeling a lot of problem of this. The patients giving me the history and giving the full detail of this. And after this, the history was written in the written is, but here is the video. The patient is not coming. However, this is the patient. Just I'm going to tell you. All these are the reports of the patients, and with follow-up reports. I have given according to the protocol of the homeopathy, I have took the case of the patients. Then after the 3 week, what the response of the patients? I can't imagine it, and I can't even believe it. What happened after the treatment? You can see here, I have given the phosphorus LM according to the protocol, Segal protocol, mind method. I have used applied here the protocol, Segal protocol. And the response of this patient, the stones comes out. You can see the stone of this patient. This is the size of stone after the 3 week. It is about 3 centimeter. This is a 3 centimeter stone. This is the unbelievable how homeopathy works and works about the stone. This is the very important things in homeopathy. With science, even science cannot believe it. The size of the ureter in millimeters, but stone is too much high. In the science, according to the science, if we judge it, that this stone cannot come out from the such a small and tiny ureters. But after the treatment of the homeopathy, the stones comes out from the renal area. All the exact findings with diagnosis, with previous and post ultrasound reports, and with the patient history, with all I have all the record of these patients. And this is the basically I'm going to tell here. Sometime we are thinking about this, how homeopathy works. As we know it, still we are unaware exact mechanism of this homeopathy, how it's worked. But the result is a consequence of the homeopathy. I can see here. After the proper case taking, just I'm using the 2 or 3 doses to indicate the patient, to advise the patient to take it. It was phosphorus LM, and the only first day and second day, third day, I will use it. After the 3 weeks, after the patient comes to me, that he told me that doctor, when I was feeling a lot of pain, and suddenly within 2 or 3 minutes, the stones comes out from the renal area. As standard way of the homeopathy treatment, you cannot use the such bigger stones. But as my experience is that in different diseases of the homeopathy, in different diseases of the persons, if a person who is suffering from any kind of disease that is not treatable, that is not scientifically you can see it, the patient cannot treat with the medicine. It is only required surgery. But when you are treating the patient with medicine, how do the work the medicine? Medicine do in the appropriate way. We are not aware of this, how it works. In certain time, homeopathy do such things which are unbelievable. This is the case. Another case, I'm going to tell here. This is a patient of this by Mr. Arif. Another case of the wheat allergy. I'm going to tell you here. Voice is not coming, but a very beautiful video of this patient sent audio also too. She's a child of the.
Excuse me, sir. You can try the audio setting. Normally we are getting the audio. You can try, sir. Once.
Okay, sir.
You can.
Can you hear, sir?
Not yet. Not yet.
Okay, no problem. Just I'm going to tell you what she's saying. I'm going to tell you here just another way of using mobile to give the. आपको कैसा हाल है? क्या ठीक हुआ बेटा आपका?
And so your screen is not fully covered. If you can click the screen and again share it, then it will be fully covered.
Okay, sir.
Now you're.
आपका मनाइल नाम है. अच्छा, मनाइल आपकी उम्र कितनी है? अच्छा बताओ मनाइल को क्या हुआ? अच्छा, बुखार कब निकलता? ये किसने बताया आपको? अच्छा, आप क्लास स्कूल पढ़ती हैं? कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ती हैं? 3 में? अच्छा 3 में पढ़ती हैं. अच्छा, तो आपकी फ्रेंड्स भी हैं? नाम आते हैं फ्रेंड्स के आपके? क्या नाम है? बस एक ही सना है और कोई नहीं है? अच्छा ये बताओ कि आपके बहन भाई कितने हैं? आपके लोग 4 बहनें हैं. अच्छा, आपसे बड़ी है छोटी? अच्छा, एक आपसे बड़ी है. अच्छा आप ये बताओ जो बड़ी वाली है वो आपको उसके साथ वो आपसे ज्यादा तंग करती है, प्यार करती है आपसे? और छोटी से आप क्या करती हैं? तो आप उनको कुछ तंग नहीं करती? तो ये तुम्हारा छोटा है, तुम कहती मेरे कान छोटा है, तो ये आपको छोटा है तो क्या हुआ? कान छोटा खैर है, कोई बात नहीं, और भी लोगों में छोटे होते हैं. आप तो अभी तो वैसे भी छोटी है ना. हाँ, तो आप क्यों चाहती हैं बड़ी हो जाए? बड़ी हो क्या करोगी? बड़ा होगा तो क्या करोगी? स्कूल पढ़ाओगी? अच्छा, तो अगर छोटा हुआ तो फिर नहीं पढ़ा सकोगी? बताओ ना. अच्छा, आपके साथ मजाक उड़ाएंगे. ठीक है, इस वजह से आप कहती हैं कि आप बड़ी हो जाए ना. अच्छा ठीक है. तो एक तो ये आता है, और क्या होता है आपको? और कहता है कोई अभी भी मसला होता है आपको इससे अभी का अभी कोई मसला नहीं होता? तो आप तो मजाक उड़ाएंगे. आप जब मजाक अभी उड़ाता है बाद उड़ाएंगे? नहीं, अभी भी उड़ाते हैं मजाक, फिर बाद उड़ाएंगे.
You have to turn the speaker.
वो कहते हैं क्यों? अच्छा ऐसे ही. तो आपने मम्मा को कहा था मेरे साथ पढ़ाओ, तो मम्मा ने क्या किया? Basically, just I'm going to tell you about this. What she is saying, I'm going to translate it. The question, how to ask the question, how to case taking of the patients when they are coming to you. I didn't ask any deep questions. Just what the patient is replying according to the gestures. So just I have asked, what is your name? The patient telling me that my name is Binail, 9 years. She is suffering from the gluten allergy, and she's suffering from the fever. Her age is 9 years, and her height is too small, and she is a diarrhea, abdominal pain, just like the patient is suffering from the gluten allergy. And I asked it, what is your problem? But before this, she told me about the problem, and she's suffering from this, and that. And after that, I asked it, How many your friends? She told me my name. The friends are these, and I asked such questions. Just she's given the question. She answered me, and accordingly I replied it. I did not ask any other question. How many your friends? And she asked me. She told me that these are my friends, and what you doing, and how you react them. They told me. I am observer. The child is the precocity is over there. She's a mature child. She replying everything in maturely. The person who replied that this, even she is a child, but all the questions are the mature like child. Another thing I asked, she told me that I want to, my height is too much low, therefore I want height. So I asked him why you like this too much, why you like height? What is the your concern in? So she told me that basically I want to teach it. Okay, so I want to become a teacher, and she want to become a teacher. This is the ambition of the child. And again, I ask it, if you want to become a teacher, and why? What is the issues? Maybe you are the issues. You are the height. She told me the people the students are mocked at me, laughed at me. This is the concern of the child. And she told, this is the, if I take the rubric about this, sensitive opinion of others, and the other is, when I will become the teacher, the student will laugh at me because my height is too much low. Fear, the rubric is taken over here, laughed, fear, laughed at, and mocked at being. Another thing I have to ask the child, what is, this is a question asked about their parents, what they are doing, what she is doing when she is suffering from the fever. Her father told me when her fever is coming, she become irritated. The rubric is taken is the irritability fever during. And what she want at that time, they told me they want the mother come to me and they just caressed me, and she becomes satisfied. So the rubric is taken, caress being desired to be caressed. I have placed these rubrics: precocity of children, sensitive opinion of others, irritability fever during, or the child is intelligent. All the questions she's replied very, she understand properly and she's replied properly. Or intelligent, and the child is very confident. I have seen the child. It was my observation. The child was fully confident, and the rubric is taken as a confident. Another rubric I have taken is a fear, lauded, mocked at being, ambition increase. So now you can see what is the response of this child after the uh, 4 weeks treatment. It is the response of the 4 weeks treatment. I have given the medicine according to the Segel protocol, mind method, applying case taking, and only 3 doses. First dose at the first week, single dose. And after second week, I given the second dose, and third week, third dose. After the third week, I did not give any kind of medicine. The patient was responding after the second week. The fever is totally gone, and gradually I have started the little bit gluten, and gradually the patient is abdominal pain was reduced, and diarrhea was reduced, and it is the follow up after the 4th week I have taken here. You can see here. How she अच्छा आप बताओ कि अपना खाना कैसे खा रही है, पेट लग रही नहीं लग रही? बुखार हो रहा है, पेट ठीक लग रहा है, अब बिल्कुल ठीक आ रही है। अच्छा ठीक है। और this is the response of the patients. She replied me very confidently. I am very pleased to say here. The child is replying me, doctor, I have no pain. Doctor, I have no fever. Doctor, I have all these things has gone, and just I am feeling absolutely fine, and I am taking all these things This is the 4th month response. I followed the patients about 6 months. The patients taking glutens, wheat, and patient is nothing to any kind of any problem. Only 3 doses I have given the patients with all proof, with all evidence, with all videos of the follow-up of first, second, third, fourth, fifth, second, 7th, and 6 months follow-up. This is a very beautiful. Just I didn't see the height of the patient because when it's a lengthy process. After the 1 year, 2 year, I will see over there. But however, the complaint of the patient was nothing. She was satisfied. She was absolutely nothing to any queries, any complaint about their problems. Another case I'm going to tell here. Meanwhile, I'm going to tell some important aspects of the Pakistan.
Excuse me, sir. You have how many speakers?
We have a 3 or 4 speakers. Just they are just giving the message to the tribute to the founder of homeopathy. And
Yeah. Okay. You have 25 more minutes, no?
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
And before 10, you can finish, no? We have another program at 10 o'clock.
Okay,
Before
ma'am.
10, Indian time 10.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Here I'm going to tell you another case. Is a very beautiful case here. This is the patients. You can audio, you can listen, but you can see the patients. Okay, just this is a video. What the patient is saying. This patient comes to me from the hospital. He was admitted in hospital and under treatment. She is suffering from the CA lungs tertiary stage, and also she is suffering from COVID. And third is the pleural effusion. And this is an acute case as well as chronic. What basically according to my topic, why homeopathy is important for the sick individuals. This is the main thing why I'm saying here. The pleural effusion, patient cannot sleep properly. Patient, even they cannot sit properly. They have a lot of problems. Fever, chest infections, third stage of the CA liver, CA lungs. All the complaints of this. Her age is 79 years. 79-year patient is. I have took the case in my clinic. After the case taking, I have given according to the patient history, according to the patient case, the medicine was the phosphorus. Here is a used phosphorus 6 centimole scale, 3 doses. After the 3 days, patient responded me, the doctor, fever has gone, the cough is little. And secondly, the most important factor is there, the patient was suffering a lot of pain, severe pain. It was intolerable of the lungs CA. And the pain was reduced to 50%. Then I given the another dose of the phosphorus 6. The patient told me after 1 week, the doctor, the pain is totally eradicated, no pain over there. She is feeling much better. After the 2 weeks, I have given another dose. There are 3 doses totally. The patients told me about the after 2 weeks. You can see here. क्या बात है मैं पहले बहुत ज्यादा बीमार होने से और उसको कितना बेहतर महसूस किया है जो शुरू में मेरे को लाए ना उस वक्त तो बहुत ब्रीथ खराब है सीजन और के इलाज जा रहे हैं माशाल्लाह 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 ठीक ठीक है ठीक हो okay she is replying I'm very happy I can sleep properly I can lie properly and I have no complaint she was praying to me okay doctor you did good at this is the homeopathy sometimes we are saying how the small doses how the very few doses works over there and after this just I'm going to telling this is a evidence of the homeopathic medicine how homeopathy works I did not go to the further investigation because patients already did a lot of investigations you can this is the main evidence of the patients as we know being pathology deep pathology the severe pain of the patients due to the CA lungs number one second due to pleural effusion he can't sleep over there now she can sleep and her appetite was also good whatever the pathology is over there is standard treatment of the whatever the in such diseases of the age of the 79 year what you will respond it you will respond what we want the patient should relax patient should take easy sleep diet and all these things this is a basics requirement of the patients whatever the pathology I as we know it the lung CAs were also there I can the homeopathy work over there but it takes a time and the patient is very fruitful patient is very relaxed and I followed the patients 7-8 weeks still is on my treatment and this is the case of the CA lungs and Dr. Usman are you ready just for 5 minutes and you can come over there Dr. Usman okay another case I'm going to tell you a very beautiful case how the homeopathy works over there another case is the Down syndrome the child is suffering from the Down syndrome please on the Dr. Mohammed Usman audio please just give the 2-3 minutes then I will come back madam please Dr. Mohammed Usman Dr. Mohammed Usman hello okay just I'm going to tell another case here is a child sorry I'm tracing over here here is a child who is suffering from the fever chest infection and COVID patients This patient is come to me, and he was admitted in a hospital, and he was under treatment of the allopathic treatment 2 weeks, but the antibiotic was given, all the relevant treatment was given, the fever was not subside, severe chest infection was there, and all these things were there. And they access to me, we are going to be treated homeopathic. It was, the patient was the age of the 6 month of the child is age is 6 months. He was admitted in hospital. He came here and just see the child. Just okay. This is a child. I asked the what kind of question I asked about this. The suffering was COVID, fever, chest infection, severe chest infection, and I asked to the mother what the baby required, what the baby needs during suffering. Her mother replied me, the baby is crying during fever. Number one. Secondly, she told me the baby is very irritable in this such type of the sickness. Thirdly, I asked it anything other. She told me when the fever is high grade, the baby is fighting, and baby does not eat anything. I analyzed the case, but 2 or 3 medicine was coming out in my chart. Then I go to another question. I asked it, what you doing when the baby is crying? How baby can relieve this child? She told me, I picked up baby and just rocking and doing the carest at the test of the baby, bake of the baby. The rubric is taken of this symptom. Carest desired to be carest, carried desired to be carried, and carest. Carried desired to be carried and carest. This is the important. When you usko then the baby is picking and then caress it. The medicine comes out, Pulsatilla. I have given the single dose, Pulsatilla, only single dose. You can see the after the second day and third day both. Okay, this is a third day video. Third day video of the patients after the respondent of the third day. The patient was no fever, no chest infection, no crying, no any other complaints. This is the response of the homeopathically. Thank you, Dr. Usman. Please come and speak about the today tribute to the Dr. Niman, and please present over there whatever you like it.
Thank you, Dr. Javed. I'm audible.
Yes, it was audible.
Okay, I want to share my screen if I would be allowed for.
Please.
Yeah. Who is, sir, I will speak.
Please.
Usman, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are co-host now. You can share this.
This is my short message on this 10th April. I've recorded it for IFPH. So I want to play it. This is 1 minute message.
Okay, sir. There is no audio. Audio is not connected.
Okay, Dr. Usman, you can directly speak it, whatever.
Okay.
Okay, directly. Problem.
Okay. I would like to thank Dr. Javed and IFPH team. They have been doing very good, IFPH, as I've been listening day to day different webinars, and in this technological era, this IFPH platform has given us Pakistani doctors an opportunity to share their work with the rest of the world, that what they are doing and how homeopathy is being practiced over here in Pakistan. We, as a member of Team Dr. Javed, has been striving hard here in Pakistan for the upgradation of the homeopathy to be practiced in true letter and spirit. We have been educating different delivering lectures to the colleges, practicing, and as Dr. Javed has shared the case of a child of gluten allergy, I'm the witness of that case, as that case has been taken in front of me, and all the data and all the things shared was true to the uh, or actual, as that child has been suffering this gluten allergy for the last many years, and they have had no choice. They have had opted for different kind of treatments told by the doctors time to time, but the proper diagnosis was not done until that they have had come to the to us and to Dr. Javed, and finally Dr. Javed has asked them to go for the gluten allergy test that nobody has had done before that. And after that, the case taking, the art of homeopathy played the role, and the way of case taking and the rubric application by reading the mind of the that child. Uh, Dr. Javed has been able to eradicate that disease. So this is the beauty of the homeopathy. and and uh, as today's topic of Dr. Javed is about the that why homeopathy is needed for the sick individual. As for as our first aphorism, that was that it is the prime objective of the physician to treat the sick one, and the second aphorism is that the cure should be quick, gentle, and permanent. So that second aphorism is the basic necessity of human beings. As a patient, it is their right to get the cure rapid, gentle, and permanent. And I have, being a homeopath, I have never seen in other mode of treatments that this application is being applied to the patients at actual. Only in homeopathy, only in this homeopathic science, we've been able to, we have only in this homeopathy, uh, we have had seen that the cure has been given quick and gentle and permanent. This is the beauty of homeopathy. And uh, all this IFPH have been doing is uh, they have been
Working very good. Thank you.
making the global image of and bringing all the homeopaths at one platform to showcase their work as what they have been doing. As homeopathy has been used in agro field in previous presentations I've seen. So these are all the new avenues that countries who have experienced such practices in other fields of medicine, of practice of homeopathy, other than humanity, that agro, veterinary, and other. So these are all the new avenues that have been done through their experiences in all those countries which are not doing it right now.
Thank you, Dr. Span. Thank you, Ji. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, please. Okay. Thank you, Dr. Span, for your views. Here is another case, a very beautiful case. Just I'm going to tell you here how we can take the case and how the homeopathy is significant for the patient and why the students, why the people like to homeopathy. A child of about 8 years came to me. The patient was suffering from the Down syndrome. His parents were telling me the patient is suffering from Down syndrome and now he is acute sore throat and tonsils over there, and the patient is having the fever and all these things are over there. And patient cannot, the child cannot taking the foods and all these irritable and like that, whatever the during suffering is doing. And how we can judge the patients when the patients come to here. I have seen the the child of the 8 year doing. He was mimicry. He was, when I asked Mr. Sami, how are you? And he replied me, how are you? And same like he's doing that, imitation. And then I asked, he was acting like that. He's standing over there in front of me, and just he's whatever I did ask the question, and what I am doing like that, he is doing like that. This is I observe it, the patients. He did not reply there, whatever he is doing. So I have taken the observation on the basis of observation the case. Gesture makes actor like. The rubric I have taken over there, gesture makes actor like. And another rubric I have taken, imitation mimicry. And I asked her mother, what you have any problem with your child? He told me the child is not taking foods, eating refused to eat. And the child is most of the time is sleeping at the bed during this problem. Bed remain, bed desire. And irritable chill during. And one thing very important, the child told our mother, the child shows their inguinal area, their genital organs to everyone. The rubric I have taken here, make it want to be exhibitions, exhibitions. This is I hold the case I've taken over there. The medicine comes out the Highsmith.
Excuse me, sir, you have 10 more minutes. If any other.
Just a minute. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Just then I have taken the rubric is all these rubric I have taken over there. And after I have given the Highsmith single dose. After the 1 week, the patients visit to me again. They told me, doctor, tonsil was 70% reduced. No fever, no irritability, no any other complaint from the parents. This is the beauty of the homeopathy. Okay. And now I'm going to Dr. Mamand Iqbal. Are you ready? Doctor, okay, just please. Another my participants are there. Just Dr. Naveed.
Sir, you can unmute from your side.
Dr. Naveed. Just come on and come here. Dr. Naveed, please. Naveed Iqbal Avanti. Naveed
Yes.
Iqbal Avanti.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot. First of all, I will pay the tribute to Dr. Honeyman, a great doctor who introduced second largest methodology of treatment. And due to the treatment introduced, many people across the world are benefiting from his fruits. This is the affordable, quick, and very short mode of the treatment, which can eradicate the disease from its root.
Right.
The people who are fed up from the other types of treatment after having bulk of the doses, which create the complications after regular use, then they resort to the homeopathy. And there are certain diseases which are not curable through the other types of allopathic or other modes of the treatment. Homeopathy comes forward to do the job. Thanks, Dr. Honeyman.
Thank you, Ji.
And then I would like to thank IFPH, who gather all the homeopath, who engage all the homeopath from the different corners of the world here for the promotion of homeopathy. And I would also like to thank Sir Javed, Dr. Javed, who provide me an opportunity to express my views here.
Thank you.
I am listening all the cases of Sir Javed, and I am the eyewitness of all the cases that how the patient cured in a very short time and eradicate their diseases. These patients who were suffering from multiple issues, multiple problems, and they have visited many doctors, and they were completely fed up from the other types of treatment. They were treated in a very short period. Sir, if time, can I share a case?
Sorry, but no, Dr. The time is too short. Okay, thank you, please. Thank you, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you. The message is today, homeopathy works chronic as well as acute. How much intensity of the patient is suffering from this? As I have seen, even you can't imagine it. What is the important for the doctor? The doctor must be a keen observer. This is a very important thing. Whatever the method is using, either is a mind method or classical method, whatever he is doing like that. But the doctor must be a keen observer. There are 3 stages of the homeopathic case taking. One is the case taking, second is the chart, third is the similum between chart and the with the theme of the medicine. You have to measure it and you give the singular minimum dose. And why the patient like to this homeopathy? Because here is the very minute quantity of the patient can take it easily. Patient can use with water dose, with directly at skin, especially in a Ramadan Mubarak, and if the patient in fasting condition being Muslims. And another very important thing is the children who are irritated by taking the medicine, you can give the small doses with the sweet pills. This is a significance, and child are like the main thing. And because we are not giving any evidence to the public, we are not promoting the homeopathy properly. The forum is promoting the homeopathy in the whole world, and we give all the acute cases and as well as chronic cases. This is the main evidence that we can see over there. The homeopathy works in all aspects. Whatever the result over there is, here I'm going to some important things. I didn't work in genetically. Is it work in genetically in disorders or not? I have no such evidence. Therefore, I cannot comment over there. As my view is, if you work properly, we have to do work a lot. I think it will give the little better response to the diseases. Thank you to all of you. You have given me opportunity for this, and I'm really thankful to all. Dr. Shaji, Dr. Gurayat, any questions you can ask to me, please. Today forum.